So we know, for instance, that the citizens thank God for the rain, but they blame the politicians for the drought.
A conference like this brings together so many people within the industry, and I'm really keen to learn and to see just how metering has advanced. Because we need metering that is reliable to engender trust with our customers. It has to be affordable to install and to maintain. We don't want to replace a meter every year or so.
There are some places where it's very difficult to read meters, especially some slums where when you want to send your meter readers, the people are very troubled. They don't want you to come and read a meter. So you just fly the drones over and then you get all the bills, and then they get their bills as SMS on their phones, and they have the mobile money or the Visa card technology where they can pay without you going there.
You know, trust is a word that's been mentioned so much today. I think it's been mentioned in trust with consumers, but it's also, I've heard the mention of trust with staff, who will be, you know, the staff who are impacted as AMI gets rolled out, trust with political leaders and stakeholders within an organization, and then even just in this last panel, trust, thinking about trust in the rollout, and thinking about, in the example that we heard this morning from Australia, about what has gone before you in terms of customer rollout and how that impacts on your program.
Give out our SWAN Outstanding Leadership Award, so we have an actual award. And see ya. This is